We'll guide you through how to add transparent texture in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer and start a new project to begin working with transparent textures. Delete the default cube by selecting it and pressing the delete key so the workspace is clear. Press Shift+A and add a new mesh such as a plane or cube, depending on the surface you want to apply the texture to. Select the object you just added to ensure it is active. Go to the Material Properties panel on the right side and click New to create a fresh material for the object. Switch to the Shading workspace at the top of the screen to access the node-based material editor. In the shader editor, locate the Principled BSDF node, which controls the main surface appearance. Press Shift+A, go to Texture, and add an image texture node to bring in an external image. Click Open on the Image Texture node and load a texture that includes transparency, such as a PNG file with an alpha channel. Connect the color output of the Image Texture node to the base color input of the Principled BSDF so the texture becomes visible. Then connect the alpha output of the Image Texture node to the alpha input of the Principled BSDF to enable transparency. Go back to the Material Properties panel and scroll down to the Settings section where blending options are available. Change the blend mode from opaque to alpha blend or alpha hash to activate transparency in the viewport and render. Switch to Material Preview or Rendered View to see the transparency result applied to your object. Ensure your render engine is set to Eevee or cycles depending on your needs and desired visual quality. Finally, save your project once you are satisfied with the transparent texture. You can adjust the mapping or scale of the texture using a mapping node if the image appears stretched or too large on the surface. Consider adding a UV map and unwrapping the object in edit mode for more precise control over how the texture fits. If transparency does not display correctly, double-check that the image truly contains an alpha channel and that all node connections are correct. You can also tweak the alpha clip threshold in the settings for sharper edges.